Let's look into how in general this multiple sequence alignment is performed. Multiple sequence alignment can be achieved by successive applications of pairwise sequence alignments. So we compare all sequences by pairwise methods. Then we generate hierarchy of alignment by cluster analysis. So we place those highly correlated sequences together. So in this way we can come up with some clusters. We can make trees out of those clusters, and then based upon those trees we start aligning those sequences again. So in this way we can build the multiple alignments by first aligning the most similar pairs of sequences and then the next most similar pairs, and so on. So we keep on, we start with highly similar pair, and then we add less similar pair into it, and so on. So in this way we keep on building with something which is more strongly correlated to less correlated. So while comparing an alignment with a sequence or another alignment, the gaps that exist in the alignment, they are preserved. So here is an example. So we have 4 sequences A, B, C and D. So what we do next is we take these 4 sequences and we do those pairwise comparisons. So how many pairwise comparisons are possible? This A can go with this B, C and D. Same way B can go with C, and B can go with D, and C can go with D. So in this way total we have 6 comparisons. So after these are all paired together, then we place those ones which are highly similar to one another in those clades in the shape of that tree. So in this clade we have B and D, and here we have A and C. So that is based upon the strength of their similarity. Now once we have done that, we again try the most similar amongst them, and then we introduce gaps in them in order to optimize their alignment. In this way A goes with C and B goes with D. So after that we take these 2 alignments. Now in one of the alignment we have B and D, and in the other alignment we have A and C. Now we align those alignments with one another, and we will preserve the gaps which were initially present in those individual alignments. In addition to that, we might have some new gaps between these 2 alignments. So this kind of method we call it as hierarchical methods. So in general, multiple sequence alignment can be done by aligning the sequences in pairs, and then we can derive a hierarchy which pairs are more related and which pairs are less related, and use that information in order to have a final alignment.